Haga election Jied chairman hapo ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council belapeniaj dau DC ka West Giant Hills District wa Abhinav Kumar Singh. Ya ka election na pelong daga jing tap vote secret ballot kapaladan arngot ki bayakun uba rikut pareng bat u Dr. Sankey Shangpung. Nakan ye jing tap vote u Dr. Sankey Shangpung ula Shah Jied biang kumu chairman bertemai ka council. Hagan ye jing tap vote ashim Bynta da baro ki arp kundai ngot ki MDC. Ka jing yo vote u Dr. Sankey Shangpung kalong arpo vote uba rikut pareng ndri vote kat ba live vote pat layo dau NOTA. Kat kum ge jing tap batikina laong haga ballot labu tang ye ki kerteng ki arngot ki kertong ndre ya u NOTA la shu tho khulom hi de ki MDC ki bomla bantip ki dei mano.
The result of the election of chairman, number of ballot papers issued was 29, number of votes polled is 29, in which includes 3 NOTA. Shri Rikut Paryan has secured 6 votes. Dr. Sankey Shangpung has secured 20 votes. Now we will come to declaration. I declare that Dr. Sankey Shangpung, who has secured 20 votes, is hereby elected as chairman of the Atiar Hills Autonomous District Council.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.